98. G. Sivaguru's 98.
S. Ashwin 98.
Yes, Sandeep, 98. We are studying in Balapuram Matric School. Our innovation is automatic zebra crossing warning light.
Material used black in very light the connecting wires.
How it works? It is used to detect pedestrian on the crossing. Upon the detection, the system activates flashing LED roadster or illuminated pavement marker across the zebra crossing to allow approaching drivers and signaling the drivers to slow down or stop to allow the pedestrian to cross safely.
The idea once the pedestrian has safely crossed and the light no longer detects any presence on the crossing, the LED light returns to a normal state, allowing vehicles to proceed.
Advantages. It improves safety by increasing visibility for both drivers and pedestrians, especially in low light conditions. High visibility LEDs and illumination makes pedestrians and crosswalks much easier for drivers to see, particularly at high night and during bad weather. It helps to reduce accidents and improve driver awareness. Adaptability. They can be integrated into various settings such as intersection, mid-block locations, school zones, and busy shopping districts.